Zon, and this is Tyke, and this is John, and we're not following the rules. And we're not really following the rules, and the rules are: don't swing, don't use the slide, don't walk, don't touch the playground, or don't walk away while we're talking. So we're not going to go follow the rules.
Gosh, you didn't follow the rules. Now, get out of here. I told you not to slide. Get your fat butt up. I told you not to slide.